Hello folks on YouTube. I have a 1997 Chevy Malibu and we're about to do a cold start and burp my engine. I've been having issues with like hearing some bubbling noises. Like afterwards I turn the car off after it's ran for a while. So I'm about to give you a slight demonstration on how to burp it. Alright, now the coolant reservoir over here and the legendary 3.1 V6. So what they say to do is unscrew the cap. I think we need some more coolant. Actually, I'm going to have to get more coolant rather yet than try this. So, yeah. Hold on, well, I'll make another half to this video momentarily, but in the meantime, I'll catch you guys.